Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we have in a Vauxhall Corsa and it needs a rear brake light bulb. So I'm going to show you how to change it right now. So today we're going to do the driver's side brake light bulb because it's the most difficult. So if you come into the boot, you've got this panel here. If you put your finger in, give it a sharp tug, that'll come out of the way. And this side we have the tyre inflator and the gunk to fill it up with. So what you want to do is first off start by taking these two out, and this section will actually come out of here and we need to move this out. It's going to be a little bit tricky and a little bit tough. So if you just work it slowly, try not to damage it at all. Then this whole section comes out and we can set that to one side. And then in here, I'll show you, you have two little fasteners here which just unscrew, and then the light will pull out from the outside. So we just do that now. Okay, with them two undone, we can just get the light, wiggle it towards you, and if you put your fingers behind the light at the top and just pop it out, it's just got a couple of little pop holders in the side here, and then you can just pinch the wiring together and pull the connector off. Now we have our light. To get our bulbs out, we've got these little tabs here, so you can just pull the tab back and pull it up. There's 3 tabs on here, and once they're all pulled back, you can now access the bulb holder and the bulbs. And today we're going to be replacing our brake light bulb, which is this one, and we're going to put a new indicator bulb in there because that one doesn't look very good. So we're just going to get our new bulbs and pop them in. Okay, so now we have our 2 new bulbs. We have a 382 and a 581, if I remember correctly. We can just pop these back in the holder. They just push and twist, nice and easy. And then to pop this back into position, just going to line it up. Once we line it up, we can push it down till the tabs clip back in. Just like that, you hear them all ping in. Then we can pop our connector back on, make sure the wiring goes back through the hole, line up the light, and just give it a little tap just to make sure it's in place. You take your 2 fasteners, and now we can just spin them back on. Nice and easy, don't have to be super tight. And with them in place, now we can put back in our bit of foam, which will go in a hell of a lot easier than it come out. Put your gunk back in, put your tyre stuff back in, and then you've got 3 little tabs along the bottom here, and that's it. There you have it. That's how to change your brake light bulb in a Corsa D, I think it is. This one's a 2013 plate. If you like the content, give it a thumbs up, hit that subscribe button, and I'll see you in the next one.